Look, have you ever checked your account and thought, I got paid? I didn't buy anything wild. Why am I still broke? That's the modern money problem. It's not one huge mistake. It's seven normal bills that feel harmless because they're familiar. They run on autopilot, so you stop noticing them. That's how people quietly lose about $25,000 a decade. My name is Max, and I spend way too much time thinking about why normal bills get expensive. If you're someone who makes decent money but still feels like you can't get ahead because your bills keep eating your paycheck, make sure to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Here's the thing. Most people think the solution is make more money. Sure, income helps, but it doesn't fix leaks. And here's what most people don't realize. Wealth building is leak control. Small monthly drains don't hurt today, but they delete your future because they steal your ability to invest, save, or breathe. First, phone plans. People overpay because switching feels annoying and the bill is bundled with identity. If you're paying $30 more than you need, that's $360 a year, or $3,600 in 10 years, and you won't even remember what you were paying for. Call your carrier, ask for the cheapest plan that fits your usage spend compared to prepaid. Also, check if you're paying for insurance you wouldn't actually use. Second, car insurance creep. Loyalty gets punished. Rates rise, and you just accept it because shopping feels like homework. If shopping saves you $25 a month, that's $3,000 a decade. Quote two competitors twice a year and ask your current insurer about missed discounts. A lot of people qualify for something and never apply because no one brings it up. Third, subscriptions. This is where it gets really interesting. Subscriptions are an attention problem, not a money problem. Your brain barely feels $9, so you don't get the pain signal to stop spending. Cut just $40 a month of stuff you don't use, and that's $4,800 in 10 years. Audit your bank app for recurring charges and cancel what you wouldn't buy again today. If you're unsure, pause it for 30 days. If you don't miss it, it was never for you. Fourth, utilities. Most people assume it's fixed. It's not. It's behavior plus comfort. Reduce $20 a month and you save $2,400 a decade. LEDs, thermostat schedule, stop half-load habits. And the real win is not the $20. It's training yourself to notice small waste without getting emotional about it. Fifth, fees and interest. Overdrafts, late fees, random charges. Even $15 a month is $1,800 a decade. Now you might be thinking, yeah, but that's just life. No, that's a broken system. Set low balance alerts, automate due dates right after payday, and stop paying for a bad bank. The goal is to remove oops moments from your finances. Sixth, convenience food, coffee, delivery fees, quick lunches. This stuff pretends it's normal because it's small and because you feel like you deserve it, and sometimes you do. But if it's $50 a month, that's $6,000 a decade. Create a default meal and a default snack so decision fatigue stops spending for you. You're not eliminating fun. You're eliminating chaos. Seventh, lifestyle inflation. Here's what most people don't realize. It's rarely luxury. It's upgrading everything by 10% and calling it normal. Slightly higher rent. Slightly nicer car. Slightly more expensive little treats. If that totals $60 a month, that's $7,200 in 10 years. Use a raise rule. Pick one upgrade. The rest goes to a separate wealth bucket automatically, so your new normal doesn't eat it. Now you might be thinking, Max, I'm not cutting everything. Good. Don't. Cut what you don't care about so you can fund what you do care about. Because your money should be buying your future, not financing invisible habits. Quick math. $30 plus $25 plus $40 plus $20 plus $15 plus $50 plus $60 is $240 a month. That's $2,880 a year. Over 10 years, $28,800. That's the quiet $25,000 decade leak. This week, do 3 things. Cancel 1 subscription. Shop 1 big bill. Set 1 default habit. Even $100 a month redirected consistently changes your future. Most people don't lose money because they're reckless. They lose it because they're busy. And businesses are very good at making busy expensive. Subscribe for more practical, no-hype money videos that help you build long-term wealth with discipline.